This is a pumpkin, a very cute pumpkin. And in today's video, we are going to see exactly what's under this core. I would make that face too. In the name of science, little buddy, we must operate. Well, welcome to the green room. I'm a scientist in the green room, and we have a cute but scared pumpkin. And we are about to see exactly what's inside this little guy here. Well, no one's home. Let's see. And by the way, I am a trained professional. Well, not really, but I'm older than you if you're watching this video, so you can't do this unless you have someone my age or older, because we are going to use a few tools, as you can see, is afraid of. Where do I start? How about at the top? What? Oh, wow. This thing is really sharp, so remember, you should always use an adult. Never do this at home alone. That's what I'm for, to show you how to do these videos. But I think this little weird tool is a little too something. Maybe we should use this instead. No. I know, it won't hurt. I promise. We will just gently do that. And we will make our way around. Well, looks like we successfully made an entire cut around this nice little stem, which we will use to pull up. But hey, little buddy, you will be stitched up and it's like this never even happened. Remember, we're scientists. We know exactly what we're doing. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer so you can see all of what's inside. Even you, little buddy. Come on over here. All right, now that we are all gathered at the table, we are going to take this spoon to remove his, how can I put this? Brains. All right, so let's see what we have inside. We are going to give it a little twist and a tug and whoa. This little guy is really smart. This is what you call a pumpkin seed. And boy, he has a lot of pumpkin seeds. Whoa. Man, let's keep digging. Oh, feels like a bowl of spaghetti. Sorry, guy. If this feels funny to you, imagine how we feel. Oh, well, it sure is a lot of pumpkin seeds. It's very fibery. Let's take a closer look inside. Wow. Surprisingly, it's really hollow. Not to call him an empty head, but there's not a lot there. No offense. How did he fit all of that in there? No way. There's more? I can't believe what I'm seeing. Oh man, it's so much. Well, sorry, little buddy. I don't think we will be able to get those seeds back in there, but maybe you'll feel a lot better. No way. Look at this. There's more. Well, I'm pretty sure this guy is going to feel a lot better. As you can see, there's not a lot there because we removed most of the seeds. That probably explains why he had so many headaches. Because he had seeds bouncing around everywhere. Whoa. Well, this little guy sure had a lot of seeds in his noggin. Oh, man. Whoa. Really slimy. Well, I think that should help him with his headache. We will just place this back on top of his head, and he will feel so much better. Well, maybe. Well, looks like we found out exactly what was inside this little guy's head. And I'm pretty sure he's feeling a lot better. Well, I think that that's all that we have for this video, because I need to clean him up and send him on his way because he has a trip to catch. He's headed to the Pumpkin Patch Annual Fest. Well, that's all that we have for the green room. I'm Gio. I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.